You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names from Mexico, from Spanish, names of famous places there. There are many mispronounced, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. For reference, in Spanish, in Mexico it is said as Cozumel, Cozumel, or Cozumel, but in English it is generally said as Cozumel, Cozumel, or in American English, Cozumel. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.